Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit kalapha da ka jingtho shaka Sorkar Pdeng bakan khot Ïasyllok Shwa bakan Shim rai na ka bentaban wanra ya ka jingpen bet thamai ya ka Fcra amendment bill arhaja apun rio uno aktien jonga party uba Kharkrang ha ka jingakran bakla pathai khubor ha ka kharbai trik uyayong aja apun rio ulai thu ba yamanta ka Sorkar kala pinsange Shwa yakni ka bill khanang man Shim ya ka jing ajingmun nabaro ki kunhuan
Fcra from one of our senior leaders, that is our MLA Bahek, he has written to the government, and including all the BJP senior leaders also, that before they decide anything on the Fcra, they have requested that the government take everyone to consultation first. All the stakeholders now will be affected by whatever amendment can take place, and the government has put the bill on hold, and we expect that the Government of India will take due action only after consultations with all the stakeholders. So that is the stand right now, is that the proposal for the amendment has been put on hold. You see, influx has been there, and it is only now that we see the central government, taking a very serious stand about it. Subsequent governments in the past have not taken any action. It is only after the BJP came to power that they took this illegal influx as a very serious issue that has to be attended to without any delay. And the SIR is one of the ways and means how to, how to identify these illegal immigrants who have come over to our country and to our state in particular. So, now the government is all out to ensure that this has to come to a stop at one point or the other.